They did us so good. They did us so good. Y'all go buy this. Y'all need to go buy this for real. What is up, YouTube? We are back with another freaking video. If you haven't, like, comment, subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and that bell. I will be doing a giveaway soon, so y'all stay tuned. We're gonna review this smoke cocktail kit. Me and my boyfriend, we did this weekend, and baby, it was lit. Loved it. It was like, you know how much a smoke cocktail costs? It's like between $20 and $30, but it's expensive. So I'm like, okay, well, let's try it. Y'all, look what we got in here. They did us so good. They did us so good. Y'all go buy this. Y'all need to go buy this for real. I'm not playing. So it came with a torch. It didn't come with the butane. You have to buy the butane. So we have to purchase the butane. We already have a torch. It came with the little thing that you need to clean the little smoker thingy here that you sit on top of your glass to smoke. You have a lid to go on top of that. You also have a strainer, so nothing will get in your the strainer will go inside of here like so. So nothing will actually get into your alcohol. Then once you light it or whatever, you're gonna put this on top and it's going to smoke it out. Okay. It did come, they did give us some flavors. So we have apple, we have peach, pecan, I love the pecan. Love the pecan. Mesquite, I think that's how you say it. I don't know. We have hickory. We also have oak. We have pear and we have cherry. This smoker kit will be listed down below, and it also will be listed in all of the rest of my new videos or coming up videos. You can find this smoker kit. And like I said, it comes with the torch. You just have to buy the butane with it. It's a very nice kit. This is great for Christmas. A great Christmas gift. Do you hear me? This is a wonderful Christmas gift, especially for someone that has a bar or does like alcohol, or you know, you do get a guide. And it just simply tells you what you need to do, what it contains, how to fill your little torch here. Like I said, you do have to buy butane. Butane is not in the box manual. Your instructions right here. But yeah, before the holidays, this will be a great dad gift. A great gift for a male. Or like I said, somebody that's really into alcohol, that has a bar. Like at their home or whatever, y'all gonna run to get this. It's nice, it's smooth, and it will last you for a long time. So y'all gonna run to get it. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said once before, hit that bell for post notifications, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching, y'all.